Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to release the hood right by this footrest. Grab the lever right there and pull it out. Now we're going to pull up on the hood. The release is right here. Just push that up. Release the hood. Then you can grab the prop rod right here. Pull it up. And stick it right there. Your washer fluid cap is right here on the passenger side. You can pull on this tab that says pull. Pull that up. Slide this. This is your indicator to see how much fluid's in there. You can just wipe this indicator off, and then we'll stick it back in. See how much fluid we have. Pull it up again. And it looks like it's about half full. As you can see, there's a half mark, so you can add a little bit of washer fluid. And there we go. We can reinsert the cap and click it down. To close the hood, we're gonna pull the prop rod out, put it back in its holder, and drop the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.